We met this guy last year. He was a pretty cool dude. What's up, you guys?
We're from northern Indiana, around the Fort Wayne area. I got a small shop where we do classic and vintage auto repair. I got this 71 Buick Electra, maybe 8 years ago. And then Cletus started these events in 2022, I believe. And we came up here and we thought, man, we could do this. So we've been here every year since, and the car keeps getting better and better.
Awesome.
Actually, 2 years ago, I threw a rod, so I got another engine. This one's zero decked. It's bored out. It's a 455. It's actually 461 now. All Buick power, carbureted. Everybody else running EFI and all that fun stuff. We just, bigger's better, right?
Oh, yeah, definitely.
Big car, big engine, makes big smoke, big noises. So
awesome.
Lots of fun. And then my buddy Jason here has this El Camino. And he kind of goes the other direction and does like full-on EFI, 6.0 LS crazy wiring and all the fun stuff there. So
that's awesome.
yeah, check us out on YouTube, Facebook, all that fun stuff. Follow us over there.
That's
and
awesome.
I'm riding in the car again with him this
Yep,
year.
my mom's gonna
Are
ride
ya?
in the car with
Yeah, I
you.
rode in
Nice.
it last year. It was fun.
I just
Are you-
bumped up her life insurance. So.
Well, that smart man.
Yeah, I've hit the wall every year, and I don't see any changes in the program this year.
Yeah, we got you last year. You were swinging around and boost the trunk
Yep,
wide
yep.
open. I was like, yes, this is great.
It's perfect. Yep. Yep.
That's awesome. Heck yeah.
It's fun until you go to get up the next morning. You're like, I can't.
Yeah, we're going to eventually be in it too. My buddy
Okay.
Matt has a 79 Malibu we're working on at the moment, but we're turning
Okay.
into a drag racing burnout car. So
Sweet.
we're going to be in here eventually. It might take another year or two to get
Yeah,
it
yeah.
completed and all that. It's pretty much just a frame and a body at the moment, but we got the
Okay.
engine. We got to put it has an LS2 in it.
Yeah,
just got to
sweet.
build it, put it together. It's going to be fun, but
It's
yeah,
a
I can't
lot of
wait.
work.
Oh, it definitely is.
But it's definitely worth the 3 minutes of action.
Oh, definitely.
Yeah.
I love it.
Yeah, check it all out.
It's got that old classic car smell to it.
Yeah, I'll have a GoPro on my helmet, and then this year I got a 360 cam. I'm not very good at editing it yet, but I'll have a 360 cam on the roof, so we'll get some really good shots there.
So what's your name on Facebook so these people can find you too if you want to
It
share
is Smokin Eagles Rod Shop on Facebook. We also have a Facebook group, and it's linked to our business page as well. And then it's the same thing on YouTube, Smokin Eagles Rod Shop on YouTube.
Awesome. Appreciate you, dude.
Makes us easy to find.
Definitely. Well, cool, man. Well, we'll be seeing you guys around, all right?
Yep.
Appreciate
Good
it.
talking with you.
Yes, sir. Thanks for the time.
This is Dustin from Smokin Eagles Rod Shop. The best part about this thing, it's got a stage 1 455 Buick motor in it. No LS motor in this. It's a legit Buick motor.
Legit.
The deuce and a quarter out of Leesburg, Indiana. Let her rip.
That's a big car.
There we go. almost died. Tried to refire. Do what? Yeah, it'll roll. It's in neutral. I almost popped the tires too.